Hello again, Hot Wheels fans. We got the 73 Honda Custom here in the Car Culture line. And there are the other castings in this particular line. Japan Historic Series 4. Alright. No interest in the other ones for me. Wonder when this thing first came out. 2024 is what it says there. Alright, let's take a look. That's just not to scale, it's a Hot Wheels. I don't even bother measuring Hot Wheels anymore. It's good. This being a premium, it has a metal base and a metal body. It tells you what it is. Yep, there you go. And so being a premium, it has the rubber tires or rubbery tires, and then it's got some like Watanabe F8 kind of wheels. Obviously, it's gonna roll, being a Hot Wheels. But yeah, I thought I'd pull up some custom 73 Civic images just to show. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad. I did see some other customs with fog lights down here. So however they designed this thing, they looked at a bunch of different images and kind of combined them to come up with this, I think. I didn't see any with an actual wing back here though. So yeah, this wing is part of the plastic of this interior, well, the glass piece, right? It is nice that both windows are down, so you can kind of see what's going on inside a little easier, although it is a Hot Wheels, so it does have the pizza pan uh, steering wheel, but it's got some gauge details. That's a little too bright, huh? Okay, and then the hot dog shifter and an e-brake sticking up as well. Yeah, is that a post? What's going on there? Yeah, it's got a diecast post running for support. It's a child's toy after all. Okay, so on the side we have a recess for the fingers, and the handle is sticking out a little bit, I think. Yeah, the door lock is also sticking out, painted. Unfortunately, these premiums, they go with this weird pixelated paint. I don't know what the deal is with that. If anyone has an explanation as to why, please do, because it's stupid, I think. I mean, the mainline Hot Wheels just has one solid color of paint. I don't know why they do this pixelation thing. It's weird. If you're totally new to Hot Wheels premiums, I'm going to zoom in here on this paint. We'll do it on the headlight here, or this whole grille. You see how grainy it is? It's really strange when the main lines would just have silver paint, right? I don't know why they have all this dot matrix stuff going on. Alright, the RS there, this logo here. Now this doesn't look like the pixelated stuff. This just looks like a regular Tampo print. I don't know why they can't just have this everywhere, right? Again, it's just weird. The honeycomb grill looks alright. There's a little... No, I thought there was silver here, but no, it's just the plastic base, or metal base in black. No license plate. Would have been nice if they printed a license plate. Alright, a little orange for the markers there is nice. And then this marker is sticking out, painted orange, but it's not just orange, it's got the little frame around that thing as well. I don't know what that really is. You'd think it'd be a Honda badge, but I don't know what the... Oh, I guess that does say Honda. It's just over... I don't know. It's a little... See? It's grainy. It's pixelated. It's very strange. Ah, boy, that casting could have been better, but it is a Hot Wheels after all. Oh, boy, that's a really rough orange peel. Okay, so yeah, some window trim, dot matrix silver. I guess that's it. Oh, no, there's some black paint up in this hood vent area. Oh boy, that thing is really a bit of a wrinkly mess. It looks like an orange peel, literally. Alright, well, I'm gonna come back here with some wheels and see what we can do. And so we're back. These are just 3D printed wheels of my own design, but technically they're real wheels. They're not my design. They're made by SSR, and they're called Speed Stars. I just looked up, classic JDM wheels. I have a photo I'll show you in a second. And then I had some other Real Riders with the red stripe on them, and it just coincidentally matches the color of this particular one, so that's why I slapped them on. These are actually bigger tires than what came off of this thing. As you can see, there's no gap at all, so the thing, there's no rolling, even though the axles would spin. And that's it. No reason to add any other paint. I'm not even going to waste a license plate on this. I'm probably going to just sell this off because this paint job's horrible. I don't like it. Ooh, there's also a blemish there. Alright, so anyhow, there's the real wheel picture there. So here's a realistic 1/64 scale by Konami of the N360, a little like K-class vehicle. So Hot Wheels is, you know, huge. And then here's a Konami of a Civic, but I don't know what generation it is. I can't read the rest of that, but I have a, maybe that's the third generation, second? It looks like it's something from the 80s. And same kind of body style looks like, but this is an N64, SIEAT, okay. So I'll customize it as well. Yeah, even so, yeah, Hot Wheels is huge, because I mean, if that's an older vehicle, it should be somewhere in between the size of these two, right? But Hot Wheels is all about rolling down those tracks, but this one will not do so anymore. All right. Anyways, still all right, I guess. I just wish they had better paint. They need to just stop throwing these things around at the factory and they're getting all dented, or they're tumbling them with other bodies or something. So the casting just isn't very nice. It's got to be the casting, right? I don't think it's the paint process. I think they're powder coating these or something, so it should melt smoother, but I think it's literally the casting. But correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, well, it's nice that it does have all the printing, all the painting, even though it is that weird pixelated stuff. I could never paint those headlights. I could never paint that RS logo. No way. Not going to happen. So that's one of the, I guess, nice things about the premium lineup. You can sit there and not have to worry about painting details on. Alright, thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time. Bye.